Okay, Assalamualaikum and very good morning to all students from 4 Chemistry. Okay, today we will learn about the new topic. Okay, new topic for the chemical bond, that is chapter 5. Okay, that is chapter 5. Okay, so let's we look. Okay, what will be we learn. Okay, at this chapter. Okay, at this chapter, okay, you will learn about the formation of the basic information about the compound formation, ionic bond, covalent bond, hydrogen bond, dative bond, metallic bond, and properties of ionic and covalent. Actually, at the KBSM, okay, syllabus, there are only 5.1, 5.2, 5.3, and 5.7 only. For the 5.4 until 5.6, they are new in your KSSM. Okay, so let's we look. Okay, the formation of the bond. KY, the formation of the bond, okay, will be formed. Okay, kenapa? Okay, sebab apa-apa pun, okay, setiap formation of the bond, dia mesti untuk mencapai dia punya susunan. Okay, mesti to achieve octet or duplet electron arrangement. Okay, semuanya adalah untuk mencapai, okay, mencapai susunan elektron yang octet. Okay, maksudnya that's mean fully, okay, dia dah stable. Okay, for the group 18, they are inert gas, that is a stable gas, that is a stable in a octet or duplet electron arrangement. So that's why group 18 is we call as a inert gas, noble gas, sebab dia tidak akan bertindak balas dengan apa-apa, sebab dah lengkap, dia dah sempurna, dia dah complete. Okay, so it no need to share or receive with another elements. Okay, so adakah kamu tahu, okay, how, okay, contohnya how the sodium, okay, will be react with the oxygen to form the sodium oxide. So that's why, how, okay, how the combination to produce the compounds. Okay, actually, okay, to form the product, okay, to form the compounds, okay, it need to achieve the octet electron arrangement. Dia mesti mencapai susunan octet. So you know that, okay, when the sodium, example, sodium when react with the oxygen, okay, the formation will form is sodium oxide. So kalau cikgu biasa, cikgu akan ajar kamu sodium ion will combine with the oxide ion. Okay, it will give you Na2O. So that's mean the compound, the product's name sodium oxide will be formed. Did you know how the sodium oxide will be formed? Okay, selain daripada kamu tahu the formation is from the combination of cation and ion here. So, kamu tak tahu kan? So, hari ini, okay, today we will learn how the sodium oxide will be formed. Okay, so let's we look. Okay, yang ini dia kata noble gases are monoatomic. So that is a not reactive. So they have achieved a stable or octet electron arrangement yang macam cikgu cakap tadi. Okay, however, okay, for the atom other element, okay, yang tak stable lagi, macam mana? So they need to achieve the octet electron arrangement, okay, with a transferring or sharing. Transfer here meaning donate or receive. Okay, donate or receive the electron. Okay, and also or share the electron. Okay, what the meaning of chemical bond? Okay, the chemical bond, okay, form when the electron transfer or sharing. Okay, electron mana yang transfer or sharing? They are only for the valence electron. They are only for the valence electron. Okay. Yang lain, elektron yang lain at the first shell or third shell yang sudah achieve octet electron or duplet electron arrangement, they will no need to do the reaction. Just only for the valence electron. Okay. They have two chemical bond. Okay. First is a ionic bond and the second is covalent bond. Okay, Yang ini dia kata just only involve the valence electron. Okay, that is an example. Okay, sodium atom. Sodium atom that is have two, that have 2.8.1. Okay, that have 11 electron. So that's mean the electron arrangement is 2.8.1. So sodium atom said, I have one extra electron. But for the chlorine atom, so chlorine atom, you know they have 17 electron. Okay, 17 electron. So the electron arrangement is 2.8.7. So chlorine atom said, I have only 7 electron at the valence electron. So dia kata I need one more of electron to achieve the octet electron. So sodium kata I have 1 electron at my valence electron. Tapi klorin kata, saya tak cukup lagi satu untuk mencapai susunan elektron. So, what happen? So, sodium atom will be donate the electron to the chlorine atom. So, here, when sodium donate the electron to the chlorine atom, so that means the sodium ion will form. Sodium ion will form. So that's mean sodium atom. You must say about atom. If you just only say about sodium donate electron, it's wrong. Okay, understand? So you need to say about sodium atom donate the electron to form sodium ion. Okay, that is a 1 electron to be donated. Okay, understand? Naresh, understand?
Yes, teacher, understand.
Okay, kalau tak faham, cuba bagi tahu saya ya. Okay, saya ulang lagi sekali. Sodium atom will donate 1 electron to form sodium ion to what? To achieve octet electron arrangement. So that's why sodium ion here 2.8. Okay, so for the chlorine atom dia, chlorine atom will receive 1 electron to form chloride ion. Okay, to form chloride ion. So that's mean to form the chloride ion 2.8.8 for the chloride ion. For the sodium ion here. So this is they are achieve octet electron arrangement. Okay, just only for the valence electron only ya. So dia tidak akan kacau yang dah stabil, yang dah achieve, dia tidak akan kacau. Dia hanya kacau kepada valence electron sahaja. So the reaction just only happen in for the valence electron only. Okay, this is how the formation of ionic bond. So ionic bond, okay, what actually ionic bond? Nanti kita akan belajar. So you look here. Okay, ini hanya asas saja ya. Okay, this is the formation of covalent bond. So covalent tadi cikgu kata for the ionic, for the transfer electron. Okay, sama ada either donate or receive. Donate or receive the electron. Okay, yang ini yang kita kata transfer of electron. Okay, either donate electron or receive electron. That is for ionic bond. Nanti kita akan tengok one by one, jangan risau. Okay, ini hanyalah introduction only. Okay, for the how the covalent bond form. So covalent bond form, okay, hydrogen atom, okay, they have just only have 1 electron. Okay, another to achieve the octet electron arrangement, hydrogen atom need 1 to become duplet electron arrangement. Dia bukan octet because kita nak jadikan dia 2. So, covalent. Nama pun covalent. That is a sharing electron. Sharing electron. Okay, sharing electron. So, that's mean hydrogen atom will share one electron with another atom of hydrogen. So that's why dia kata let us our share the electron. So bila dia dah share electron, so that's mean hydrogen here they have one electron. Hydrogen another hydrogen they have one electron. So you look here they are achieve. Okay, achieve duplet electron arrangement will be sharing the electron. Okay, understand? Harish?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, thank you. So, test yourself 5.1. What is a chemical bond? So, you can get your answer here. So, chemical bond are formed when electron transfer or sharing the electron. Okay, number 2. Naresh, 2 type of chemical bond. Yang tadi kita belajar. Naresh, give me 2 type of chemical bond.
Ionic bond and covalent bond.
Good. Ionic bond and covalent
Covalent
bond.
bond.
Good. Harish, why noble gas do not form compounds? Why noble gases, that is a group 18, do not form compounds? Kenapa kita panggil dia sebagai monoatom? Harish?
Because it has achieved octet
duplet.
electron arrangement.
Okay, duplet or octet electron arrangement. Good, Harish. Okay, next. Is the electron of the sodium atom is stable? Okay, if not, explain how the electron arrangement can become stable. Anyone can answer? Sodium atom, stable or not? Sodium atom 2.8.1. Naresh, sodium atom stable or not? Naresh, Harish, boleh jawab? Sodium atom
Stable.
2.8.1. This is a stable electron arrangement. Stable or not?
Stable, teacher. Not
No ke? Yes. 2.8.1. Dia dah ujungnya valence elektron ni sudah capai octet ke belum?
Belum.
Belum. So, stable or not?
Belum.
Belum. So, stable or not? Sodium atom
Not stable.
2.8.1. Yeah, not stable. Okay. Okay, how to become the stable? So, sodium atom will donate or receive electron. They have one valence electron. Harish? Naresh?
Receive.
Receive, they have one valence electron. Receive or donate electron?
Donate.
Donate. Donate how many electron?
1.
1. Donate 1 electron to what, Harish? To achieve octet
arrangement.
electron arrangement. Good. Okay, faham tak yang ni? Ingat ya, kumpulan 18, group 18 noble gases sahaja yang sudah stable. Okay, others, semua yang lain, sodium, magnesium, oxygen, it not stable state. So, it need to donate, receive or transfer the electron to achieve the octet electron arrangement. Okay, Naresh? Harish?
Okay, teacher.
Kena faham yang konsep itu. Kamu kena faham konsepnya. Okay, konsepnya bermaksud you must to form the octet electron arrangement, barulah kamu boleh nampak. Okay, berapa orang hari ni hadir, Naresh?
4, cikgu.
4. Okay, welcome to other students. Siapa yang baru datang tadi?
Baik, cikgu.
Cikgu bukan 4, 3. Saya, Harish dan Waitish.
Waitish. Okay, welcome Waitish. Okay, next. Okay, tadi kita dah belajar, okay? Ionic bond. So, ini baru mendalam. Okay, what is the ionic bond? So, ionic bond, okay? The ionic bond is the form by transfer of electron. Okay, transfer ini cikgu cakap either donate or receive the electron. Okay, transfer maksudnya perpindahan. Transfer of electron between what? Between metal atom and non-metal atom. So you know that which one is a metal atom? Okay, in the periodic table. So you look your periodic table. Okay, determine which one is metal atom, which one is non-metal atom. So you look actually for the group 1, group 2, group 3, 13, okay? There are another is transition element, there are metal atom. So for the non-metal atom, so like oxygen, chlorine, okay, that is a non-metal. Group 17, group 16. You can look at your periodic table. Which one is metal and non-metal? So again, I say about the meaning. So ionic bond is formed by the transfer of electron between metal atom and non-metal atom to what? To apa tadi cikgu kata? To what? Achieve?
Stable octet electron arrangement.
Yeah, to achieve octet stable electron arrangement. Good. Apa-apa pun kita mesti achieve octet or duplet electron arrangement. So, how the formation of ionic bond? So, you look here. Okay, so you look here. This is tadi kita dah belajar tadi. Saya ulang lagi sekali. Okay. The metal atom. So, this is metal atom. Sodium, you know that is a metal. So, metal atom here will be form a positively charged. Okay, how to form the positively charged ion? So, the sodium atom will be donate 1 electron. To what? To achieve stable octet electron arrangement. Okay, sodium atom. Okay, so this process of the donating, okay, dia mesti valence electron. So, yang terlibat adalah valence shell only. So, sodium here, you look here. Kamu nak tahu cikgu macam mana kami nak tahu dia donate ke, dia receive. So, you look for the valence electron. So, valence electron is 1. Okay, valence electron is 1. So, that means it easier to donate the electron. Okay, the sodium atom is easier to donate electron compared to receive. Why? Because the valence electron is 1. Bila dia suara, so macam mana kamu nak bagi kamu lagi selesa? So kamu kenalah berpindah ke tempat yang lain. Itulah perumpamaan dia. So dia lagi mudah untuk dermakan dia punya elektron berbanding either accept the electron. So it must be the sodium atom must be donate the electron. So to donate the electron, it will become sodium ion. Guys, okay, kalau kamu nak melukis electron arrangement first, so you must know, okay, you must draw the nucleus first. Okay, example ini lukis sodium. Okay, sodium. So first shell, second shell, and the third shell. Okay, nucleus mesti tulis ya, must be draw. Okay, and then for the first shell, okay, cikgu, boleh tak saya nak buat elektron itu cross? Boleh? You can. Pastikan, tapi cikgu nampak tak cikgu salah kat situ? Kenapa cikgu salah? Sebab cikgu tak letakkan cikgu punya dekat atas shell. Mesti letak di atas shell. Mesti, okay, elektron mesti letak di atas shell. Okay, 2 elektron. Cikgu, saya nak buat bulat-bulat macam ni boleh? Boleh. Kamu buat bulat ni. Bulat titik. Kamu tak payahlah buat bulat macam itu. Susahlah pula. Titik. Okay. 2. Okay, kalau boleh. Okay, each electron must be compared if the octet electron arrangement ya. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 2, 4, 6, 8. And the valence electron is 1. Okay, mesti. Elektron mesti duduk dekat atas shell. So, they have 1 electron here. So it is the tendency to donate electron is higher. So the donate electron, so bila dia jadi ion, you must draw. Okay, here when the sodium ion is formed, it have achieved the octet electron arrangement. So you must draw the bracket here and the charge. Cikgu mana nak tahu dia punya charge ni positif? Okay, ingat saja. When donate, kamu derma, kamu dapat pahala, kamu dapat kebaikan. So you need got the appreciation, betul? Kamu dapat pahala kan? So, kamu akan dapat positif. Begitulah cara kamu nak ingat. Cikgu, macam mana nak tahu dia positif 1 ke positif 2? You look for the valence electron. So, kalau kamu donate 1, positif 1 lah. Kalau kamu donate 2, positif 2 lah dekat sini. Kalau kamu donate 3, positif 3 lah dekat sini. Okay, boleh? Okay, sodium atom. Okay, how the half equation? Sodium Na will donate, sodium atom will donate to the electron to form the sodium ion. Bila dah dia donate tu pergi mana? Siapa yang akan terima? So, here, the non-metal will be receive the electron. Non-metal will be receive the electron from a metal atom to form a negative charge. Okay, tadi metal will become the positive charge. But for non-metal, it will accept the electron to form the negatively charged. How many dia accept? They have 1 electron. So that's why kenapa dekat sini tandanya adalah negative. Okay? To achieve the stable electron arrangement, fluorine atom, you must set fluorine atom, okay, will be accept 1 electron. Okay? This is the process of accepting to what? Okay, to the valence shell. Okay, so fluorine atom is easier to receive electron. Dia daripada donate. Sebab apa? Valence electron ada 7. Okay, so dia lagi tendensi untuk menerima elektron berbanding menderma. Kalau derma banyak sangat ni, 7 ni debak. Dia terlalu besar. Macam mana dia pindahkan banyak-banyak orang? So, mestilah dia lagi selesa untuk menerima. Accept the electron to form the ion. So, fluorine atom will accept the electron to form the fluoride ion. Okay. Faham ke? Naresh, faham ke? Harish, okay? Vaitishwara, okay? Okay, we look here. Okay, tadi kamu dah tahu the formation of cation ion, that is a positive ion. Cation ion, okay? And another is negative ion, we call anion. Okay. Macam mana pula to form the compound? That is how. Okay, you look here. Okay, this is a sodium atom. Yeah, tadi kamu kata it will donate electron to the fluorine atom. Okay, fluorine atom will receive 1 electron. Okay, sodium atom will donate 1 electron to become the sodium ion to achieve the octet electron arrangement. For the fluorine atom here, it will receive 1 electron. Kamu tak cakap, tak payah cakap from sodium. Boleh juga. You said fluorine atom receive 1 electron from the sodium atom to form fluoride ion. Dia terima 1. That's why dia punya charge adalah negative 1. Dia mendermakan 1. That's why kenapa charge is positive 1. Okay? Okay. You nampak kan? Positive and negative. So, it will attract by strong electrostatic forces. Strong electrostatic forces. Apa tu electrostatic? Electrostatic, that is a combination of the positive ion and the negative ion. So, that's we call electrostatic. Dia ada charge. Positive, negative. That's we call electrostatic. Okay. Naresh, Harish, okay ke? Can?
Can, teacher, no problem.
No problem. So let's we do one example for the test yourself, can?
Yes, sure.
Okay, then. Okay, first, aluminium atom, okay, they have 13 proton. Fluorine has 9 proton. Okay, write the formula of ion form. Okay, how to do this question? So, to do this question, you need to draw the electron arrangement. Okay, Harish, what the electron arrangement of aluminium atom? They have 13 proton.
2.8.3.
Huh?
2.8.3.
Good. Fluorine?
Fluorine 2.7.
7. Good. 2.7. So, aluminium atom, they are metal or non-metal? Group 13.
Metal.
Yeah,
Metal.
good. Metal. So, you look, fluorine is group 17. That is a non
Non-metal.
good, non-metal. So, daripada ini you dah tahu. That is a ionic bond. Because tadi ionic bond is the formation of bond between metal and non-metal. Okay, write the formula of ion form. Okay, Naresh, you look here, aluminum atom have 2.8.3. So, metal will donate or receive electron? Aluminium.
Donate.
Good. How many will be donate? How many valence here? Naresh? How many electron will be donated?
1.
You look here. You look,
Oh, 3.
you look here. 3. So, 3. So, aluminium atom will donate electron to form what? Aluminium ion. What the charge of the ion? How many electron will be donate?
3.
So, Al 3
3.
plus.
Plus.
Sebab dia donate 3 elektron. Okay. Lepas tu kita tuliskan elektron di sini 3 elektron. Yang ini faham tak, Naresh?
Faham cikgu.
Naresh, cuba buat yang ni. Fluorine pula. Fluorine receive or donate elektron. Dia ada 7 valence.
Receive.
How many? Receive.
7.
7. So, how many to achieve the octet electron arrangement? Dia nak jadi 8. So, dia perlukan lagi need how many electron? 1. So, 1 electron to form what? F. Apa charge dia? Dia terima 1 kan? So, F negative.
Negative.
Faham tak? Faham tak, Naresh?
Faham cikgu.
Faham. Okay. So, Naresh, write what the formula of aluminium here? Form Al. L. 3.
3.
3 apa? Cikgu tulis ni, Naresh. Naresh tengok tak?
3 plus.
Good. Al 3 plus. For the fluorine?
F negative.
F negative. Okay. F negative. Good, Naresh. Okay. So, half equation like here. Okay. Yang ini cikgu dah buat. Soalan ini. Ingat. Aluminium atom donate. Donate. Cikgu, mana cikgu nak tahu donate? Because, Naresh. Tengok, Naresh. Electron valence here is 3. So, it need to donate electron. Okay. Donate. Dia tak boleh receive. Okay. Bila how many the electron receive? Donate. 3. So, that's why kenapa kita tulis 3 plus and 3 electron. Okay. How to draw the electron arrangement? Okay. So, let's draw the electron arrangement. So, that is you look here ya. Tengok betul-betul cikgu lukis. Nanti kamu kena buat soalan balik. Okay. Aluminium. Al. Okay. 1, 2, 8, 3. 2, 8, 3. 1, 2, 3. This aluminium atom. Okay, aluminium atom, that is a 2.8.3. So, for the fluorine, when you look here, kamu kena buat nanti ya. F. So, 2.7. Kena buat nukleus dulu ya. Okay, 2. Dalam SPM kamu tak buat nukleus, kamu salah. 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, to form the ion. So, ini dia akan donate 3 electron. So, dia akan jadi, yang ini tadi apa? Fluorine 2.7. So, aluminium 2, 8. Okay. Buatkan dia punya bracket. Okay, bracket net 3 plus. Okay. So, you draw for the electron. 1, 2. So, dia dah donate 3. So, dia jadi 2.8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, dia akan jadi 2.8 for the Al3 plus. So, how about the fluorine? Fluorine will receive how many electron? 1 electron. So, fluorine 2, 8. So, you buatkan bracket dia. Kemudian, you lukiskan dia punya elektron. 2, 8. Pastikan at the shell ya. Jangan terlebih, jangan terkurang. Okay, dia terima 1 elektron daripada aluminium. So, charge is negative 1. Okay, so here 2.8. Okay, 2.8. That is a 2.8. So, this is a F negative. So, kamu lukis begini. Okay, tolong lukis begini. Boleh? Boleh tak?
Boleh tu.
Okay, cuba kamu buat nombor 2 pula. Okay, nombor 2. Okay, cuba kamu buat nombor 2. Muriate potash is a type of fertilizer. Has a high content of potassium chloride. So, when you got the proton number here, so you draw the electron arrangement. Harish, chlorine. What the electron arrangement for the chlorine? 2. Harish, are you with me?
2.8.7.
Good. Potassium?
2.8.1.
8.1. Belum lagi cukup. Dia ada 19. 2.8.8.1. Kamu tertinggal lagi satu 1. Okay, good. So, chemical formula for the potassium chloride. So nanti kamu tolong buatkan macam ini. Cikgu nak kamu snap gambar ya. Okay, snap gambar. Okay, bagaimana? You look here, chlorine here. Harish, chlorine will donate or receive electron?
Chlorine will receive
Receive. How many receive?
1.
1. So, to form Cl, berapa charge dia? Cl?
1 charge.
Ya, negative 1. Bukan 1 charge. Negative 1, Harish. Okay, potassium?
Okay.
Receive or donate?
Donate.
Donate how many electron?
1.
To form K, what charge? How many?
K
K?
plus.
K plus. Plus, how many electron dia donate? 1. Boleh?
1.
Boleh tak kamu lukiskan macam cikgu lukis ni? So, the formula is KCl. KCl. Okay. How to formation a bond? So, lukiskanlah. So, nanti kamu lukis 2.8.8. Okay, lukiskan macam ini. Lukis macam cikgu lukis. Kemudian, for the chloride, how many chloride here? 2.8.1. Okay, and then how the ionic bond will form. Okay, boleh ke? Naresh?
Boleh teacher. Boleh.
So, boleh tak cuba kamu buatkan sekejap ya? Cikgu ada bagi satu soalan lagi. Sekejap ya. Satu last soalan. Okay, tengok dalam buku kerja. Okay, you look for the workbook. Okay, for your workbook. Okay, you look here for your workbook. Page berapa, Naresh? Page Okay, Naresh, Harish, Vaitesh, Waran. Okay, you look for the page 66. So, look here. Okay, exercise 4. Okay, you look here, cikgu nak lukiskan. Okay, exercise 4. Okay, tengok betul-betul ya. Okay, tengok betul-betul, cikgu nak lukiskan. Okay. Okay, here. They have, okay, sodium ion. So, sodium ion. So, you look here, sodium ion is Na. Kenapa dia punya pen macam ini? Okay, sekejap ya, saya ambil size besar. Na, okay, sodium ion 2.8.1. Okay, look here. Okay, oxygen, O. O is 8. So, 8, 2.6. Okay. Can you see here, Naresh? Tak boleh lukis. Oh, saya tak lupa. Saya nak share. Naresh, boleh nampak tak?
Nampak tulisan cikgu.
Nampak? Nampak
Nampak.
tulisan cikgu. Okay, good. So, sodium ion here. Okay, tengok betul-betul cikgu tulis. Tadi, yang tadi cikgu bagi example, just only donate 1, receive 1. Donate 1, receive 1. So, how about this? Okay, you look here. Naresh, sodium ion here is 2.8.1. Okay, so to achieve the octet electron arrangement, how many electron will be donated?
1.
1. So, dia akan jadi Na plus 2.8. Right? Betul? Okay, so
Ya, cikgu.
2.8. But oxygen atom here is 2.6. It need 2 electron. So, it need 2 elektron, tapi sodium hanya boleh bagi 1 saja elektron. So, macam mana kamu nak buat, Naresh? Harish, Vaitewara, macam mana you nak buat? Anyone can answer my question? Sodium can donate 1 electron. But for this oxygen, it need 2 electron. So, how? Okay, ini buku exercise ya. Saya tempat ya. Cepat. Harish, any idea? Naresh, any idea? So, apa dia? So, it need 1 more sodium. So, 1 more sodium, that is a 2.8.1. So, sodium will, cikgu lukiskan, cikgu bagi size sekejap. Besar sikit. Okay, so sodium here will donate 1 electron here, and sodium atom here will donate 1 electron also. So, it will receive 2 electron. So, 2 electron here. So, that's mean oxygen. Okay, you look. Tengok sini cikgu lukis. Na 28. So, 28. So, 2, 8. Okay, 1. Lukis ya dekat buku kerja ya. Okay, nampak. Okay, so it will donate. Okay, lukis juga untuk sodium. Na. Okay, Na 2, 8, 1. Okay, 2, 8, 1. So, lukiskan. Okay, macam mana? Dia akan donate kepada 1 oksigen. Oksigen 2, 6. Okay, so look here. 2, 8, 1. So, here oxygen is 2, 6. Okay, so look here. 1 will donate here. 1 will donate here. 1 electron, 1 electron. Okay, then, okay, what will be formed? Okay, saya lukis kat bawah ya. So, lukis kat bawah. Sodium akan jadi sodium ion. 2, 8. Sodium. So, in bracket, how many electron will be donate? 1 electron. Okay, sodium Na. 2, 8. 1 electron. Oh, salah. Ini saya erase. So, lukis lagi sekali. Plus 1. Ini pun plus. Cikgu tak lukis elektron ke? Kejap, sabar. 2, 6, 8. 2, 6, 8. Okay, for the chlorine. Chlorine pula oksigen. O2, 8. Lukis. Buatkan bracket. Jangan lupa bracket. Dia receive berapa tadi? Naresh, dia receive berapa? How many electron dia receive? 1, 2. So, 2, that's mean negative 2. Nampak tak? Receive 2 electron, so dia punya charge adalah negative 2. So, 1, 2. So, dia dah jadi octet. Dia dah cukup. Enough. 6. Okay. What the formula of ion here? Compound here. So, the compound here, the formula is NaO. Ada berapa O? 2. Na ada 1. Apa pula? Na ada 2, Cikgu Ziana. Okay, Na ada 2. So, Na2O. O ada berapa? O ada 1. So, Na2O. Na 1, 2. Nampak tak? 2. So, oksigen ada 1. Na2O. Naresh, faham tak? Tak apa, nanti Isnin kita buat lagi latihan. Tapi kamu pastikan latihan yang kat dalam buku ni, you cuba buat dulu. Okey, boleh? Harish, Naresh?
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so kalau explanation, okay, kamu first, kamu catat ya. First, you said about the electron arrangement for the sodium atom and oxygen atom. So, and then sodium atom will donate how many electron to form what ion? Oxygen atom will donate how many electron to achieve the stable electron arrangement. So, kat sini, 2 sodium atom will donate 1 electron each to oxygen atom. Oxygen atom, okay, dengar baik-baik ya. Oxygen atom will receive how many electron? 2 electron to achieve octet electron arrangement. Okay, and then kamu sebut sodium ion will form and oxide ion O2 minus will form. So, the ionic bond here is Na2O. Itu sahaja. So, Isnin saya nak jumpa kamu sekali lagi dan tolong buatkan soalan sehingga page 68. So, nanti kita akan bincang. Jangan risau. Okay, kita akan bincang untuk buku kerja. Okay, thank you very much for coming. Ya, sayang.
For the previous chapter, need to do the essay question, teacher.
Which one?
For the chapter periodic table,
Yeah.
need to do the essay question.
Yeah, essay question you must answer in the 61, page 61. Okay?
Need to do.
Yeah, need to do. Okay. If you have question, you can ask me. Cikgu, macam mana nak buat? Saya tak faham. Boleh tanya je lah saya nanti. Boleh?
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so see you again for the Monday. Tolong lengkapkan kerja. Okay, tolong lengkapkan kerja. Bagi faham, tak faham, message cikgu tanya. Isnin kita semak jawapan. Boleh?
Boleh, teacher.
Boleh.
No problem.
Isnin kita semak jawapan. Okay, thank you very much for coming.
Thank you, teacher.
Okay, bye-bye.